So welcome back, and today's tutorial we are going to deal with removing these broken bolts here. These are 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are going to remove this broken bolt by the use of a drilling bit and also a drill. So what we are going to do, we are going to drill these bolts into small particles like these ones here. So, and also we shall try to test whether they can be untied using a bolt remover here. So also, if it fails to be removed with a bolt remover, then we shall just drill in through completely. So let's start. So we are going to drill in using a 4mm drilling bit here. So let's start with this one. So this is the size of the bolt here. The bolt is 12mm with a pitch of 1.75 pitch. So what we are going to do after drilling in this with a small bit of 4mm, so we are going to drill in using a 10mm drilling bit here. So this is a 10mm drilling bit since the bolt is of 12mm. So we are going to first test using this remover whether the bolt can be untied using a remover. Okay, so good luck that it has moved. So using so it has moved here. So the bolt has accepted to be untied using the remover. So like this. So here, this is the bolt. If you try, even if to check, this is a brand new one. So if you try to check the pitch, it's 75 here. So that's one. Then let's try to work. Okay, that's the bolt and the remover here. So let's also try to drill the second hole. Yeah, this one. And also we try using a remover. Then if it fails, then we try the second ply. So after that, after drilling in with 4mm, then we shall try to put on this is 12mm drilling bits here. So let's try to drill in with 12mm. So what the reason as why I drill in with 12mm is that most times this bolt, when they get broken, if they get broken, they tend to change the beginning thread to a bit bent, so to become bent. So if it comes bent, then what we have to do, we have to drill on using a 12mm drilling bit. Then also let's again try to use the remover. So far we have removed one hole here. So let's try to remove by the use of an adjustable here. Okay. So this one has failed. It is as if it's going to break the remover. So what we are going to do, let's first remove the remover. So like that. After removing it, then we are going to drill in through. So what we are going to do, we are going to decrease the speed of the drill. Then we shall drill in using 10mm drilling bit, but let me first sharpen it. So after sharpening it, then what we are going to do, let's drill in. So let's drill with 10mm drilling bits. So we are going to remain with 2mm since the bolt is of 12mm. So you have also to be in a straight line. So now the bolt has ended where we stopped drilling using the 4mm drilling bit. So let's continue to drill as you are seeing here. Okay, let's continue. It has ended. So let's drill until we reach at the bottom. So we have to drill the bolt until we finish, so we pass through it. So another thing, we need to be in a straight line. So to make sure that you leave, if you try to check here, inside here, I don't know whether you are seeing, there is that small, okay. So if you try to check this, so this, you have to remain with, like, these are the two remaining 2mm remaining inside here. So you have to make sure that they are remaining inside and you are in a center. So you have to make sure that you are also in a center. So now you have penetrated the hole here. So after, you can even see that the dust, so that indicates that we have penetrated through the hole, that's the dust. So what we are going to do now, you have to remove also the dust. So we have this tool here. So this is a tool here. Let me try to zoom out. So this is the tool here. We are going to use a bit sharp pointed here. It's going to remove these remaining 2mm here. So I don't know whether you can see very well. So like this. So what you are going to do, we are going to remove the remaining 2mm here. So by the use of, so remember, we try to remove the bolt using a remover. So this is the bolt, the remover, this is the bolts here. So we try to remove it, then the second one failed. So remember, we are working on 4 bolts. Then those are the 2 tricks we can use. There are also another trick, you can use welding, but welding on cast iron, it's a problem. That is war. If you try to put welding on a cast iron using the 60-13 welding loads, that's also a problem. So if you try to check inside here, there are those remaining small particles. If you try to check inside, so let me try to remove them, then I'll try to show you. Remove those remaining pieces here. Yes, Buswangi. So now there is, okay. So these are the 2mm remaining inside here, which they have been disturbing us. So after removing the remaining pieces, okay, like this one. So as you are seeing here, those are the remaining pieces here. Also you have to remove the dust. So after that, then we shall try to straighten the threads using this die, the taps of 12mm times 1.75. So like this. After straightening the threads and removing the dust inside using this tap here, so this is the pitch here. So if you try to check the pitch of the bolt and the tap, they match here at the thing. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment. Also, we are going to remove these remaining bolts here. Remaining is 1, 2. So for now, then thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment. So we removed this one. Also, the another one failed, so we decided to drill them through. And if you try to check inside here, the threads are okay and fine. So let me try to tie in the bolt here. So if I try to change the camera and we tie in the bolt, everything is fine and okay. So thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.